I'm Austin,
And I'm Ben.
and this is the Austin Ben Show.
Just kidding. We messed that up. He's Austin, and I'm Ben.
And this is the Austin Ben Show.
Oh, God.
Why didn't you say
No redos, no redos.
That would've been
We
so
can't do any
funny.
redos. No, we can just continue with this. It is funny. It is. They're laughing. They're laughing
Those
right
people
now.
out there right now?
We have no battery.
Oh.
That was a 10-stage
I
rocket.
think that was 11.
I counted.
Oh, I counted 11. Okay.
We counted wrong.
That was like what we used to do in math class, where we like sit in our chairs.
Yeah,
and
when
then
you would count wrong.
No. Well, yeah, that too. But like, no, but
No,
like
no,
we'd
no,
be
no,
sitting
no.
in our
You
chairs.
would do your work, and then you'd finish your work.
No, hold on. Put that on the side table right now. So like, we'd be sitting in our chairs, and then like you'd be like, and then we talked about like, what if like we hit a button, like we just like slam back, and we're just like slamming in reverse. So like
clear cut holes through all the cement walls.
Oh yeah, just like go straight in reverse. This is just so to like avoid our math teacher like giving us the homework.
Yeah,
and, like
she
we go
come over and
all
give
the
us
way
the
around.
homework.
We go all the way around the earth, and she's like still waiting there to give us the homework, and like we
Because
slam
she's
back
so
into place.
used to it.
Yeah, and so like we slam back into place, coming out the opposite side of the room, and then we're like, and then she hands it to us, and we're like, damn it.
And it's like night at this point. She's been standing there for like hours.
Oh no, this takes like a minute.
Oh yeah, I forgot we had like huge engines on this thing.
Yeah.
And it just like goes right over the water, no problem. Through mountains, just no big deal.
Well, we're going like thousands of miles an hour.
Yeah, and like it doesn't affect us at all.
No, yeah.
Indestructible like cages.
Well, Earth
around
is like 55,000 miles around, right? So like to do that in a minute, 55,000 miles a minute. That's how fast we'd have to be going.
There you go.
Like,
Wait,
I'm
is
pretty
it-
sure we would not be able to survive that. Like, the G-force on us. And we don't have, like, any special harness or anything. We're just, like, flying in reverse, like, bent over our desk, like, flying backwards.
Yeah, and like for some reason inside our like desk area, there's no gravity, so we're just like doing like our work. Or, like,
We don't have the work. We're waiting to get the homework.
No, we're doing like the classwork or something. I don't know. We're doing something,
We're
but like, or
casually
like our pencils are on the desk, but they're not falling off.
No, we're, like, casually talking as we're flying in reverse.
Yeah, talking to each other.
Yeah.
Even though you're still in the class and
Well,
I'm
who
like...
else would we be talking to? Wait, no, I
Well,
thought...
no, like... Oh, we both hit the buttons?
Isn't that how it would work?
Well, she can't, like, give it both. Well, actually, I just did it. She could do that. Just, like, give us both, like, here's your homework. Here's your homework, here's your homework.
Okay.
But, like, I don't know, for some reason I thought she was just giving, like, one person homework, and then, like, that person would hit the button, like, fly back.
Or, like, one person hit the button, and then, like, they'd have their Bluetooth headpiece in, and then, like, we'd be talking to each other as we're flying in reverse.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, that was, like, the time that, like, we finally got to her, so, like, she, like, moved you, and then, like...
And then she
like,
realized that it, like, wasn't gonna work.
Yeah, well, like, the class was, like, way too quiet after that.
Yeah.
So then she was, like... And then she was, like...
No, and then the next day I think we just sat together.
Oh,
and
yeah,
then
like...
just to see.
Just to see, like, what would happen. And then she was, like... Alright.
Yeah, except she didn't actually sigh. She just, like, didn't do anything about it.
She just went along with it. And she was like, oh, okay.
So she went home that night and she was like...
Yeah.
You know, I tried to separate these two kids because it was too loud, but, you know...
She's complaining to her husband.
It's like, yeah. But, you know, it's just, like we were the atmosphere. We were that class.
Yeah.
Besides, like, the teacher and all the other kids.
We were the class!
And the desks that, like, flew backwards.
Yeah.
What if, like, everybody had that desk in our school? And, like it was a known thing that happened.
That'd be cool.
No, like the desk across... The kid across the hall...
Our school
like, did
had...
it, and then we did it at the same time, and we, like, slammed into each other.
No, if he did it at the same time, we'd be fine. We would never slam into
No,
each other.
no, because, like, like, you walk in... Here's, like, the hallway goes down the middle, and, like, you walk into the classes this way.
Yeah.
And then you kind of, like, turn around and look in. Oh. So they would both go backwards around and hit each other.
We'd also kill, like, millions of people on our way around. We, like, blaze this path around the earth. And people would be like, holy shit, was that guy on a desk? Actually...
Hey, sorry about that, guys. The,
Battery died out.
Yeah. As you probably noticed by the quality increase, we've just gotten a new camera.
Or maybe you didn't notice.
Maybe you have a computer so bad that, like, the quality that was before and looked normal to you
Or maybe it's so good that it automatically converts incoming video into better quality video somehow.
It just like assumes what the pixel in between the pixels would be and just like adds more pixels. Pixels. Alright. So
you were flying, we were
flying
backwards, killing millions of innocents.
Yeah, and some random guy was like, wow, is that guy on a desk?
But he probably couldn't even see us because we were 55,000 miles a minute.
Well,
it's really
if
fast.
you were in like Texas, you'd see like a bunch of like you're just like looking around for some reason.
Why Texas? What?
I just like the most like open country. Like.
Well, what way does our school face? Is it north, south, east, west?
West? I thought you said east. No, east. I thought you said west.
Yeah, no, it was like.
No, it's east.
No,
Patrick,
but no, they
this
said
is
east, but then he pointed to W and he was like, he thought I meant west.
Yeah, and then they went to like this gigantic.
All right,
like,
anyway,
plant.
so like our school probably faces.
SpongeBob references.
School probably faces.
I don't know.
West.
Well, like
Right,
it's on West Main.
Okay. Texas. Just go with it.
Okay, so Texas. We just happened to drive through Texas. We're like fly.
Well, we're not driving. We are flying, baby. We are flying in reverse.
Fly through Texas, and yeah, like it's all flat. So you'd see the guy way over there.
But
And, like,
55,000 miles a minute. That's so fast.
if you were doing
That's
50,
almost 10.
If you were
it's almost 1,000 miles a second, dude.
all right, yeah, I'm gonna do 55,000.
55,000 divided by 60. 916 miles a second, dude.
Yeah, they probably wouldn't notice you.
Alright, hold on here. 55,000 times 60. 3 million miles an hour. We are going
300,000.
Yeah, but after 3 million doesn't really count.
After 3 million.
Yeah, yeah. Probably
You could be like 6 million.
It'd
It's
be
still
like
the same.
a blur. It would be a blur. How fast we're flying. Anyway, so we collide. By the way, like
I don't even think like the space shuttle goes. I think the space shuttle goes like 10,000 miles an hour.
But when we collide, I'm pretty sure we collide with enough force to like set off like nuclear bombs.
All right.
Because that's like a combined speed of 6 million miles an hour when we hit each other.
Force is mass is acceleration.
Yeah.
So,
And
it's
I
more
casually
like
have
more
my
like
dumbbells on my chest. on my
momentum
chest.
kind of thing, than force. Momentum is, I think.
Alright, we don't need to calculate it.
All right.
Basically, it's bad.
It's a lot.
It's a lot of force that we're colliding with. We don't die though. We live through this collision.
Yeah.
Because we're going so fast, we manage to like phase through objects. We just like phase through each other and we go back.
Oh, so we aren't killing a bunch of people.
Oh no, we are. It's just like when we collide, we just don't.
Because both objects have so much momentum and force when they hit each other.
Yeah, we just kind of like go through each other.
Like all the other things, like we're like shredding through things and people.
Literally, we have like shredder taped to the back of our chair, and it shreds through things.
Yeah, because like the tape we have holds.
Tape?
You just said it's taped to the back.
Oh, I meant attached.
Oh.
Which is a cinnamon. Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon is a good thing to eat, but a synonym for taped, or really, taped is a synonym for attached. It's kind of like a square rectangle thing, where like a square is a rectangle, but a rectangle isn't a square.
Yeah.
It's like, okay.
I get that part, but I didn't hear what you said before.
What, taped and attached?
Oh.
It's like the same thing.
Yeah.
So like the shredding things as they're flying backwards.
The shredder thing?
So like...
Oh yeah, because we're going backwards, so it's on our back, so it's just like eating people and like...
Yeah.
So then it sends like it sends the shreddings like around us, that way it's not like flying into us.
Yeah.
Or I should say like this, going behind, from
behind.
behind.
Yeah. So like we go back to it. So we're spinning, like we're going around the Earth, and then like we like land back in our original places. We're just like totally fine, and then she's standing there, still waiting to give us our homework. We finally we phase through her somehow, and then she just like.
No. She's off to the side. Like she isn't like right.
Because she knows that this happens, and she has a minute to casually she hands a couple other students their homework, and then she just like waits there, and we're just like.
No, she she has like a taped X on the floor, like where to stand. She like sets herself up. She's like, okay, I'm in the right spot.
I'm pretty sure the force,
and then
like the amount of air molecules, like we're going really fast.
Yeah.
Do we gradually break as we're approaching a school, or do we just like break on the spot? Because I'm pretty sure like we're going so fast in reverse, it would create like a vacuum in front of us because like the air molecules like can't fill in fast enough.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm pretty sure like she'd be like sucked into like us flying back in.
I'm pretty sure like there's like a huge phenomenon like
Well,
the faster you go towards the speed of light, like the more.
The less you weigh, isn't it?
No. Like the more mass you gain, because like you can't ever be the speed of light. So like in order to cancel that out, you have to like because you can't increase in acceleration. You know what I mean? So like you have to cancel it out. You have to like increase mass.
Anyway, so like we fly in reverse, and like the force. So like we create this like vacuum in front of us. Like the force that creates pulls in the cement walls, so like it closes shut over the hole we made. So like we repair the hole every time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And we repair the person, but like they're still dead. Like they are dead.
Wait, like what? Oh, the millions of innocent civilians like we plowed through.
Yeah.
But after like the first couple times, like people everywhere around the world just like mark a trail like where we like go, and then they're like, oh, there they are again.
Because these desks are everywhere, but we're the only ones who use them, except for that one kid across the hall that we phased through.
Yeah. Yeah. No, we specially modified these desks.
Obviously, it's not like a normal desk.
They are zero friction desks.
Belt.
We reach into our backpacks and pull out the frictionless desks and like set them up, and then like we fly, and then we come back around, and then like we wait for her to put the homework down, and the homework slides off, and then we swap them out for our real desks, and then we're like, oh, we didn't get our homework.
Yeah, because like once it falls on the floor, then like we don't have to do it anymore.
She was handing back our homework.
Oh, what?
Oh yeah.
No. She's giving us homework. She's giving us like that nice.
I remember
homework.
doing that at the beginning of class though.
Well, yeah, because she'd give us homework like at some point throughout the class.
Okay, whatever. It's hurting my brain. Yeah. What was that even from?
It was from sophomore year math class.
Yeah, but like we were talking about someone else first.
Yeah, with the desks, like fine, and then we get back. I think that was the end of it.
Oh. Didn't it branch off of something though?
No, they're just the desks.
I feel like you side-tabled something at the beginning of this.
Oh yeah, I did.
But this video's probably like 11 minutes now, so yeah.
The table's like... Somebody had swapped out the table for a frictionless table while we weren't looking. While the camera died, the table was switched out.
Chick flick. Because you said frictionless desk.
Frictionless.
So the thing you side-tabled is going to have to stay side-tabled.
No, it fell off the table because it was switched out for a frictionless table.
Oh, okay.
That's what I was trying to say.
And then it landed on the ground. We don't have to like think about it anymore.
Yeah, once it's on the ground.
Yeah.
If we have lava floors, we're in elementary school, we have to step on like pillows to like go, because the pillows don't... Do you remember that?
It was different colored tiles. It wasn't pillows.
No, like...
Remember they had like white and brown tiles, and like you'd stay on the brown tiles?
Yeah, the white tiles for lava.
Yeah.
And then somebody'd be like, dude, what are you talking about? And they'd step in the white tile.
And then you'd be like, oh my god!
Dude, you stepped in the lava!
He'd be like...
dude, I'm fine. And be like, you're in the lava right now, like...
You're dead.
And then he'd be like, oh crap. He'd like, get off.
Yeah. So, anyway. I don't even know sometimes. You know, frictionless desks. Like, is that even possible? For something not to have friction?
No, that's impossible.
All
but
right.
so is flying around the world in a desk at 55,000 miles an hour, phasing through people, and it being okay to kill millions of people probably at that point.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah. So, if you like the video, click like, it helps us out. Increases our confidence in doing this. That's really what it does.
Yeah. We have really low self-esteem.
Horrible.
So, like, every time I make one of these videos, we're, like, cowering. Like, we pay a guy to stand on the other side of the camera and point a gun at us to make us do this video.
No.
Yeah, that doesn't actually happen. That's not real.
Yeah. So, comment on what you thought about this discussion.
Triple yeah means you have to like it.
Yeah. if you watch this video and you listen to the triple yeah and you don't follow what the yeahs were attached to, you die in your sleep that night.
You heard it first here, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, dude.
Like and subscribe if you want a new weekly entertainment.